Are you looking to buy a home right now? Or are you thinking of putting your home on the market? What's the market look like? That's a critical question for you, and we talk about that next on Selling DC. I'm JP Montalvan, and thanks for joining us on Selling DC. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow so that we can continue to do what we do here, because only 20% of you have subscribed to the channel, and allows us to help you not only buy, sell, invest, but just have a terrific life. And if we can help you here in DC, Maryland, or Virginia, or anywhere across the country by referring you to a great agent, reach out. Visit us at jpsellingdc.com. As we're looking at the market right now in the fall of 2021, approaching the winter, we're definitely seeing a cooler market than we saw last summer. Home sales are definitely down from the June peak. That said, if we compare it to 2019, we're seeing tremendous activity, up 54%. Sales are robust right now compared to where they were. That means if you're buying a home, you've got good activity as your competition may be slightly lower. And if you're a home seller ready to put your home on the market, don't wait. You have an opportunity, especially if your home looks much better than the average home out there, and if it's marketed the way that it should be. Where are mortgage rates going? That's another important question, whether you're buying or selling a home. If you're buying a home, that's going to be your mortgage rate. Right now, they're 3.25%, likely to be rising as we enter into 2022. All estimates are that mortgage rates are going to increase to likely 3.5% to 3.75% by year-end 2022. Still historically terrific rates. We were just at about 4.5% to 5%. So don't worry. You've got plenty of time to find the right home and get a great rate. If you're selling your home, again, you don't have to worry about mortgage rates. Mortgage rates mean that the economy is improving. That means that home buyers are still going to be looking for homes. So don't let mortgage rates scare you. There will be buyers for your home, again, if it's priced right and in the right condition to sell. Another trend we're watching is the work from home economy. Is it here to stay? Well, some hybrid is. We don't imagine that we're going to continue to work predominantly from home. We imagine that most people are going to be in some hybrid of work from home and work at the office. That means that a lot of markets that have benefited from the ability to work exclusively at home may not be as hot in the coming months, whereas areas closer into the city may see an elevation in home prices as people go back to work. Where are offices? Predominantly in cities. Your best move is based on what your work situation is going to be. If you know that you'll be working exclusively from home, then you can take advantage of where the market provides the best values. Chevy Chase, Maryland has an average price point over $1 million, whereas Loudoun County, Virginia, for a comparable home would be 25 to 35% below that price. So what your situation is from a work perspective will dictate the best move for you. If you're a home buyer, look to be ahead of the curve. The curve is going to mean that these outlying homes are going to continue to appreciate. They won't be the same values that they once were because of this hybrid work experience. By the same token, cities, urban environments where smaller condominiums have been sitting on the market for longer also will not be the values that they are today. So if you're looking for value as a home buyer, look right now. Don't wait for prices to continue to move as people solidify their decisions. If you're a home seller, you can afford to wait. Fundamentals remain strong. As we move into 2022, we continue to see unemployment falling. We see wages rising. We don't see corresponding increases in the supply of homes. More people are not selling, and in fact, quite the opposite. We have a continued low supply of homes. We aren't building as many homes as we should. Freddie Mac, who regularly monitors the home building market, says that we have as much as a 3 million home shortage here in the US. And in an area like Washington, D.C., where land is scarce, that gap between the number of people that want homes and the amount of land on which to develop new ones continues to grow. Again, if you're selling your home, you can wait for when you're ready. As always, your best decision is hyper-local based on where you want to buy a home or based on where you live and want to sell your home. You and your great agent can help you determine the best strategy for you. What does supply look like where you live? What does supply look like where you want to live? What are the factors that are going to increase or decrease homes in the areas where you are or want to be? Those are key questions. What questions do you have? Comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And did you like this episode? Was this helpful? Give us a like so that we can continue to do what we do here. Remember, subscribe and follow so that we can stay in touch and share more information, news that you can use, market updates on buying, selling, investing, or just having a fantastic life. And if we can help you here in DC, Maryland, or Virginia, or introduce you to a top agent where you live anywhere across the country, reach out. Visit us at jpsellingdc.com. I'm JP Montalban. See you next time on Selling DC.